Right, that. Hang. So I seo Hades. Diolch yn kind of yn hwrs mi rhaid gyda nach bwydyn gael constantyn. Ja, mir fi 10 sian fresh. Diolch yn fat sach. Ach, fi'r halwm Hades so hyr mi diolch be gan Hades. So mae'r connection sy'n diolch yn Hades a cael fain chiel ac ysio fo atina.
I know you can't hear me all the way where you are, goddess, but thank you.
Diolch yn fi. Rwls Ie, sio eich lyc i'r Switch.
You wretches.
Eich lyc i'r PC. O, hysio dach fi.
Suffer in darkness.
Sio caran ydw i gema bydd dol o helmet gysialmod agos bydd asg yn y naid yn y hant yna helmet agos yn y rhaid. Victor cad simply go ire ach issue bydd fast ar y bydd
Coin from the dead.
Ist roin ac yn dorcht ja jucher. En hele voelzag rein het draaste bulachje verhaal. Al en al is
Who are you?
dat gemaakt.
Mechathonic key.
Good.
Wonder where I can use this.
Tonic. Uurdag.
I've heard. I can't heal myself, but I can fight.
Christian Gwy o Athena. A shen sitting. Shen mara sitting gain. Oh. Braia pek na Banaguchi ka Dash. Uka.
A form of power.
Is na Leo jana pomegranates. Is een kudrish de kook kan
Piece of
het
Olympus.
wel gaan je die engine character.
I think I hear the river. Charon's shot.
Aaron?
Why, good to see you, Charon, mate. Just minding my own business, taking in the sights, and hey, what's that you got? Some sort of wares for sale? And I'll just have a look around.
En Neil. Biljara in je zo'n voor te gebiersna. Dan is met je back aan zo'n
That's better.
health in rash. Terug. Is je hurt. Die skill, fancy skill again at foolish. The guy here, I really hack him read bastard in it. Dasha. Ik heb niet Jenny Cash gehad, het rest is wel. Ga je kennen le Supergiant Games a shot, which could be skill order, rain yet. Order kennen indie goma huge na mask bastion transistor of a higher.
This battle, this one was bound to show up, I guess. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Oh, no.
You've got quite the fighting spirit in you there, I have to say. Most intriguing, and yet no surprise for someone born in hell itself. You come on out of there and tell me all about it. I'm a fellow student of death, you see.
Hey. So, nes sin níostú chuna go Athena agus Hades. Buain ag Athena iad san ula na dhéana bhí chud ruta na ráis a nain na daine na naitena. Ach le Ares had barach mi bhí teanú pili crán ar daine. Where's the pain? Is weet je kunt toch kan je zo meer naar heel erg binnen naar raken. Ach, is je nu de marcus mee zo kan Bayou Damocles maar gebig als Q count een night. Ik zeg pitchen ergens niet een gelijk gaan. Hele. Dus nu is van dal aan Persian. Oh, en heel Roinjaki. Die naar de eerst. Oké, mini boss. Ja. Ik zal gaan zo hier lemma. Maar na putting out plantje die shows. Could even an art or Jeep. Yeah, no.
That's what you get.
Back is stronger. Fact. Okay. So, weet je wat ik in de nest. Het zou krijgen tegen kuachen during it. Well, it's a very like kind of do synergies. So, Rutakam Ganu deflect Marsha Marshin Kuak Janu Shidnas.
Your wisdom guide me. Wretches.
I can be really cool machen is. More aan.
Delicious.
Hello, really clacky.
Each exit has its own reward.
So, you can do it. Oh.
Just getting started.
Okay.
No.
Céad HP go mar acha. Níor seo adá hé sin hena bhú agus hí sin ringáin gan help
Kieran's shop.
the rain. Put on sound. It's such a good like in the
Should help keep me going.
Can he sin boss tí a chatéine glitch me Page come out.
Well,
My
this
hand.
is awkward.
Halt, Zagreus. Not one step further.
Come on, Meg. Haven't we had more than enough of each other by now? Besides, don't you have someplace else to be?
Your father sent me. All in all, I'd rather be on your bad side than his. Now you can turn back like a good little man, or I can send you home the painful way. What'll it be?
I'll have to go with the painful way.
A man after my own heart.
Change. Shot. Here. Better. An umgelig sin hans vi spel. Header in your quick there. Steve Buskin. Smash up. Agus. Oh, yuck. Agus gach. Na che ach hat. Romanas. Julia. Yep. En sin. Sin a chiad fast. Nicht. Du. Lekker sin a dal.
Damn it. I'm home.
Hello, Ziskira. Agus gonna.
Yes, carry on, everyone. Don't mind me.
Welcome to the House of Hades, where... Wait, I know you. Guess that means you died out there, huh? Well, don't be sad, though. Pretty much everybody dies sometime.
Some of us more than others.
Back already. Stupid boy. I told you nobody gets out of here, whether alive or dead. So how was your wanton ransacking of my domain?
Greetings, Father. My ransacking was a delight, thank you for asking. So I'll just be on my way again.
Be on your way indeed. What do I care? You shall never reach the surface. Go, see for yourself.
Agus seo engine a passion is Jenny.
There's a good boy.
Permit the dog his rest.
Infernal watchdog Cerberus regards the underworld prince with mixed emotions, from purest joy to deepest melancholy.
You watch over things for me, won't you, boy? You know I'd take you if I could.
You've returned.
We should be. Yalach.
Good to see you, lad, despite the circumstances.
Please.
Remember your training out there. The pain of death is but another obstacle.
And fear is for the weak. Take care, Achilles.
You have come home. Do not despair, child. Such setbacks are inevitable and may be overcome with effort and with time. You made contact with the goddess Athena. She shall be true to her word.
I believe it, Nyx. I'm grateful that you put us into contact. I know you took a considerable risk in reaching out.
The risk is not to me. I expected the Olympians would involve themselves in this eventually. Reveal to them no more than they already know. Are we understood?
Yes, we are.
Then go.
Hey, room. I'm back.
Nice.
Darkness guide me.
Sin a crunnechu dorachatas agus sin gin an isis a dorachatas task an as daine mar engine déineas cuacail is a deathifying unturas now dul go Njani sláinte chiliú bea again yes virtue shadow presence yn gaian yn as cwch gyda'n o neu which can von who
I feel different.
fine.
Okay.
You could ask on
There we go. Coronacht, the Heartseeker. Let's deal some death.
Psst, over here.
I can escape through that pink window there.
Nice place you got here, boyo. Name's Skelly. How's it going? But enough with the small talk already. I'm here to do a job.
I love
let me
Skelly.
have it. Give me everything you got.
I don't remember having you on payroll, mate. Who's your supervisor?
Oh, I'm not about to wrap my sources, pal. Just try and beat it out of me.
If you insist.
Nah, that was nothing.
mar sin seo fer an good jiffer Adam in
I'll have to come
íoch in je maag mar an so gon fan sin leis live ráasta
Darkness give me strength.
agus an is ras an de háisi game so ha fiochin dí trí ein as if
Is this really him? Okay. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Greetings there, young man. Look, your father's always been rather difficult, and he's not so much as called in quite some time. You'll have a better home where you belong, here on Olympus. And to help you on your journey, have my blessing.
Agus Mention
Lord Uncle Zeus lending his support. Never thought I'd see the day. Or night. Whenever.
Fucking Zeus má féimeáil nuair a ha
Unlock something back home.
nuair a bheits an tuamas náidte an gcuirist ar chiisiú beirú má an feiscin a chéile go bhfuil gaí chedal etara ina picin bheach an
Crashing waves. Trident.
Dé se leis an dia éile
It's Uncle number 2. It's got to be. Then, in the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Ahoy there, little Hades. You recognize your uncle, do you not? We've a lot of catching up to do, but first things first. You get yourself out of that dour underworld. As for me, I'll see if I can stir things up a bit to cover your advance.
Hey. Mention questions Ile
Looks like I caught a big one. The power of the sea should be of help.
le go flashy sin nuile ach chama gus ha cíalach go bhfuil gach gamer bhí nas
By my birthright.
so bhí an dálas an cuach thuiris ar cuach ne Erica bhí mis bhí héine dálas an Erica ar ha an bú go má féá an gohaí gníide bhil sin nu nach chéil mór an cealt ina Be gemma a hán haif well an a dói mar gachgim ile bí fast nas nas fuasta
I'll take it. Where now?
tú gachlaich agus a sin fiad díach a heh go héin bhí pas clachtéis ach cuteach a heh mar a chunig siú nu a asgus tú héitiú a dheis ga talla Hades agus suing go Goodrish the chwch. Hello, Logie Bear, can I ask you? Ha mi Cashbilad, and you me Ganyang in Ketchup. Ach, well, at all, so, Ashen. Aye. Agus is fear Hallam. Ashen. Die ha Kuach Zeus, the Ganu. Written mine lacking in shot harness just the BG and 3 is challenge as 5 so sing a alteration and then boo mini boss new boo mini boss each has all this
Ready, lads?
dus hier zo'n gewel health achter gewel paarse boeien dus ik had een shield achter maar quick I guess nu raas ja nu nog heel schön achter zullen we het dagger jana schön killed nach hooding guy attack jana Ulkovisha Muran Tang.
There must be a mess. Let's see
Kind of.
here. Hi there. In the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
Why, hello there, little godling. I have to say you're quite the specimen, and so I've decided I shall aid you for the moment. You interested?
Aphrodite. First, agus cuach an Aphrodite ceantu dí se dúirtá se weak fiú black agus a sin cíaltha nach chéile go cuach. Ceis go leabhar ar a hen zúscíra. Fiú mi Hades clic a réist a chéachar háast. Na ga dragítir go úne feta gása críocha go réir.
Sure, I don't see why not.
Yeah, I'm switching air switch. When we had Horus. Och, get through the heater, Oscar, Hades. Okay, Hades er our Larak, yeah.
Surrounded.
Oh shit, nu this Hades got a Larak. I could cheer up with the Marak in Bia at well 11 at your nest. I should have be fine. I can etiquette or some action. If it's do Marag. So the Carl Lua that's in with Joe etiquette James.
Enough.
There.
Jay and Bal Aram agus Gia Charlotte. Okay, Charlotte's a Bal Aram and now she need ein has down to through a show. Ach be fine Karen and you meet the kind of gauntlet. The spear Hallamichin. Is have yeah spear Hallam Artemis. He's mentioned you go to get Ares Karen could call it Ares agus Athena and so you be shinning go but goes like him he hain lesh na Karen deflect agus I hain lesh doom Jamie Dane hain a logi ved
All set.
50. Because I should well gripping and dancing a shaman can try. You can get chin o'clock if you try. Demo? Martian? Had it near Nahil Moran health. picking it. Andrew. Oh, that was echt nog op de side minute. Is aan Gucci. Ja. Hij heeft een ga simply naar haar kookchen Athena a vacuum. Er is een witne gesek en achterkeur graag hoog. Gleich nach Eilchen aankomen is haken die kan eerlijke. De first nach Heineliet ga kookchen.
In the name of Hades.
Special deals maar dan. I shouldn't go back there. Agus cúteach dálathach an bhú ach rutan an seo an ag bit thuiscuid caran dúis sin pice san agus há caran mar asca duration 3 encounters duration 6. Bhí mi héin trí gan ghlacha ach an cúte gaine ha. É sin bhú agus hain sin díochin sin í Alanai Magera right. Oh, they heck cat on read
Fine day to you as well there, mate. Now let's have a look at your supply, shall we?
Oh?
I'll take it.
You found me, little nephew, strewn among the inventories of that most disturbing river boatman. That means you win my blessing.
Guns with knockaway effects, also rupture. Like in Jirach is gun like knockaway eins.
Let's make some waves.
Charlotte sort of boach and you movie fast get the notch and you kind of come in into the vision there. Yeah, boa nu a harshik mission van me go match later bo.
Don't spend in one place, mate.
Jirach eruit was kunnen pasig niet. Is gewoon iets in tulken kartig ne mythiken sin na ganas bí ruúd is na mythiken rom ach yeah had Jirach cost farsal
Ever stubborn, aren't you? Maybe my whip might make you reconsider whatever it is that you're attempting here.
Your whip's not been all that persuasive in the past.
Maybe persistence will pay off for both of us. Come then.
Egg. Issue in this gus mi Genevan special acum gwyl town well time pretty cool. Oh yeah, Nachasho on Larans.
You want a taste of this?
Jenny Cashbilad, Hayek, Le, Planches of Nachasho, okay. Africa. Okay. Lufty, eh? Okay, shouldn't Death Defiance act. And Paramanaka lacking. Yes. Hey. Talkma. Oh, hier kan ik niet wel try. Yeah. Yuck. Okay. Anna, yeah.
I'll make this quick.
Darna. Do this. We should need a bass we got good.
Be seeing you around. Achilles might know what to do with this.
Give
They
you
got me. No way to catch up.
thirst darn the illusion. So sin I chiad level mar go buch. Agus ag Jeric gach level I could go at mar. Agus sy'n becan alfain irash. Rwy'n e chianach bydd rwy'n reich. Ach heid sy'n. Wys. Barna ire. In.
Yeah, we're getting somewhere.
Was sy'n anna Tartarus and ish hash. Asphalt.
It's nice and warm out here, I'll give it that.
Didn't matter if an H of it. Oh, in level again? Ik hier triple gleich me again, who can you ik Jake Thurston to me ask them.
Spreaders.
Oh. Ik kan het plaatje gaan maar niet. Issue can nu go then you goed tegen straat dan Abba? Ja, vaak wel. Er wel één meer werken. Vind ik je shot in ja, zo.
That's something.
Daar gaat het. Weer hier. Dus in zin. Ar a thuis mí an crétar an seo atan na sasa nuair a gach sin ag athína ach níl athína ar nachú as a run na seo gopur le Poseidon Aphrodite
Use this to unlock a weapon.
in who etiquette mention launch and how explain you'll more on Inakala you're not making Jacob at this is sitting in oh tell him and you go oh where you go Gina Kersan recap guy Fiachin the 80s Aka Hades action next vodka Wel ik ga nog even like pikken waar Nicht, was nie giri Zeus nio Ares. Je piach. Mi hin daar na ta ik. Du mi lara kain dit. Hey, how about Aquinas on Hades? Okay, mini boss deal there.
That's a problem.
Ishchachka. Okay. Well, can you welcome Matt? Anyhow. Again, could ask that. Okay. Yeah. Finishing.
Hey, last time, Jack. So much letting of blood, so much of it your own. Let's see to keeping you alive and in the fight a while longer then.
Tala man join ya. Slice and shot. And kill who and actually thing. Yes, I have a shot. I can shot. Think I could. Oh, yeah.
Well, Magus.
I mean, Eindra and darn it, boss. Akish. He's looking for Joe Hansen. That can be good. Education.
Oh, it's her.
Mention.
Let's break some hearts.
Lunch. Tarkta. Niet alle is alles aan tarkta. Makin je neer in jouw lijst. En ik is een kill voor wel ja nas daar. Oh wow. Kan daar eigenlijk. Daar. Hallo mijn jongen. Hallo niet. Okay. Yeah. Okay, oofed. Daar zag. Oeh, en een woe. Wil het hier switch? Ah, yeah, bhór chuid sin an bhí me gachla ar switch. Iadach chuir mi seáire físaí tú ar san leich éad.
Should come
Yo
in.
sin fecin darachta. Ar chuéis mi go faisin seachad ar a bhás seo. Ach bhíocha sin. Bhíocha sin. Bhás ar a bhgá.
Oh, great.
En Joe ar panna hin. Mar sin ag difad den gen chaf seo a gyda'i Savage Keen eile a Hydra. Cwchgan ydi alger ag llawn. Oh. Ar yna'r eile. Y crych mi gyffai sy'n siarad yn niara sio yn tŵr sio a jwyr. Sy'n ac dda. Darn y bas. Ar ein sy'n. Ein gan darn y bas. Mae'n sy'n sy'n hier jo unie was trip. Sy'n jan kiel so ni fikir capture cardur. En el capture cardur kan en el tirach. Como rish PC drasta.
Watch over the pool of sticks back there, but it's sure been busy lately. Why, somebody else came through just earlier. You should have seen the look on my face when it wasn't me.
Thank you.
Glad to keep things interesting. Happen to know whom I should thank for the weapons just outside my chambers, Achilles?
I'm sure I wouldn't, lad. Though if I happen to run into them, I'll let them know.
Someone's at the desk next to the throne.
Cerberus.
Who's that sniveling shade to your immediate left there, Father? Already found someone new to do the busy work. And here I thought I was utterly indispensable.
That shade boy is my newly designated contractor. One whose responsibility is to work on this house. Though who shall pay for everything my subjects here demand, I do not know.
You're trying to guilt me into funding the exorbitant furnishings you desire.
Perhaps once we are finished with repairs for all the carnage you have sown throughout my realm, then we might finally have time for all the needed renovations that have piled up.
Nice. Some sort of special offer for me, my good shade.
Game.
Authorized. A fountain chamber in the depths of Tartarus sounds like an excellent idea.
Game. Gas Lannis. Sinna Oscar son Kudrish Ski
The prodigal son returns. Everyone's saying I went easy on you, Zag.
Don't worry, Meg. I eventually managed to get home the painful way after all.
Look, I have a reputation to uphold. You get past me again like that, you best go all the way. Now leave me be and don't think you're gonna be so lucky next we meet out there.
Elm sin go teach bhí bríon rí sé bhás a tíach abisna. Isiste buig dúchrichen gáin áhain all bheith cin fel araman éad ann.
How's it going?
Son
Good.
antlet.
Hey, Skelly, you look like you know your way around Tartarus. Found some of this ancient Titan blood out there, and I was looking to score some more.
Ah, you come to the right place regarding that there, pal. It's your mean weapons back there that can find this stuff. Once you get all the way through Tartarus with one, that's all the blood you're gonna get. For the time being, anyhow.
How am I supposed to keep track of which weapons I've earned these with, then?
I don't know, there's always the invention of writing stuff down. You'll figure something out.
So, bhfuil sin ask me shade agus shade stop sin. It's when you can cost me new shade.
Open up. Aegis, shield of chaos. Lend me your power.
Yeah,
What is that thing?
Alam Shah. Go with the enemy. They can Americana hinach. Hitchin and Ash agus Yoshin. Goody Shin Rish. Vitality. Victory. From an additional Speed Hallam. You should have in a Speed Hallam of eat. Dashes. Gotcha. Goody Shin. Den Guyana Nas. Goeie. Dal. Hier can we Ritkin Goelig van Koer.
Alright, one more time.
Er is 3. Oh, ja, en allerlei.
That looks like a Daedalus hammer. Enchantments for my weapon.
Hier be it jaw a curation. Your special hits next to it.
Daedalus, wherever you may
Teach
be
him
right
that.
now. Thank you.
Yeah, I shouldn't go across. It's still shouldn't.
Right. Numbskulls.
Hier halen we good numbskulls and I'm making it.
There's more.
Yeah. Agus is all the guy nerd that I shot. Each me pick and drive me game.
Brilliant.
Ja. Moet ik er om in de schaar tierach le een dash. So we get sin a horst character in agus gia him ile an dive through da agus be fine. Speaking of that, ben skillach ama agus kuchach yo burning yo rutkin dash. So shin aim. Amateur.
Lord Zeus.
Issue bound the root accept or gift. So I know your son feel up our excuses.
Why, in fact, it's mine from long ago, young man. I've no more need of it, of course, but how you found it, you shall have to tell me once you're here.
That commits chain link. Special. So I mean chain kitchen special in Achgation. Neil more an Eric back in teaching and who teaching the lot. Yeah, I can finish. Darren Carve er ein kjall an gemne se essen gu dagrias agus gu skelly. Awesome mention. Buch gewerkt was us. Gisha shot.
Hey, lads.
Ruta carta drum í einu skia sé. An cuciar.
Anyone else?
Lightning bolt. Effects make folk bolted this time. Yn barach Ciarán agus Aphrodite gael. Dawn greidir in eisiau. Sydd gael gasgau. Leis.
You've had a brush with Megara the Fury, haven't you? Oh, I know a thing or two about that one. Though lately we Olympians no longer mingle with those living in the underworld. You're the only exception.
Yeah. I think just HME this is soundtrack soundtrack to balance come yeah, Barish go be gay shock the soundtrack Hades and being you go put it piece of sack Good, had an intense Emily bye.
This can unlock a weapon back at home.
Is talm leis go nuad chhlaachtuigh is go tú éirí éiriúd gin neá I rasta.
Got their attention. Who else? Cheers for the coin. Got to hold on.
Fine, get out.
Well, that's better.
Yeah, sure.
Your Highness. Hey, Prince Ed. Must look like I'm slacking off with the old boulder here, but I was just getting back on my feet. The Fury Sisters don't often leave me be. Where'd they go, anyway? And, what are you doing here?
Oh, you know, just out on a little stroll is all. Do me a favor, though. You see the Fury Sisters, let them know I was headed down the way I came from, will you?
Oh, I'll let them know, all right. I hear you loud and clear, Your Highness. I'll just go about my business now, and you take care.
The Sisyphus atáirst go etiquette darachatas they can yash. Yeah, they can.
I got you covered, Prince. Godspeed and all.
Ready for them. Gods grant me strength.
Ooh.
Thank you, mate.
It feels unseemly to make contact from that most unpleasant boatman's stash of ill-gotten wares. Nonetheless, this was an opportunity.
Back is stronger. Right. Damage wasn't con. Mention. Ah, good.
Good for the health.
Yeah,
say, you are a sight for sore eyes there, Charon. So, looks like you're selling. Is that it? You come to help me out? Brilliant.
Okay. Give the ish.
And there you are again. Lord Hades ought to lock you up rather than let you run amok in his domain like this.
I'm sure he'd welcome all this feedback from you, Meg. Or maybe you're just pining for my father's job.
I have no envy for your father's position. Besides, I happen to enjoy my own responsibilities.
Both my.
No effect.
Hey, Leach Schlia. Welcome on. It'll be a portion of the shot delay are the Kuokan machine it I'm Harry for Zeus. Ryan Dashik at Your Lema. I'm just shout. I'm going to fishing. I'm not there. Hey, Dashka Asphodel.
The ancient blood. Don't mind me, Father.
Al a reich cuach mór an hain bógi bér. Al a reich cuach seo bá Aphrodite. Or have your son dash ein bá a tí.
Closer to the surface. In the bag.
Hishin. Aye, has she need to come off first nach leisure. We're switching a rid leisure daedalus hammer first. And Mishnah kind of special in a clock agus everything but Zeus drop go and I like that I'm about
We can use this to unlock a weapon.
Didn't got any fame out. Lamb dancers. Can well, I mean, I'm at the nation. I got a fringe, so that you can help call Unigac. Unigac the autumn cross lamb dancers. Vu ja Eka. Kind of vu misschien. Niet moeder en elke checkie. Ach. Ik ga hem pikken. Nou, kom misschien. Ja, kusje.
Just what I need.
Ruachshin Gold Karen Kilkug Stray get the Bulig Hik Jalani Peace Jalani Hila in it Hila Things near Barach from dufty, eh?
Uncle Zeus.
Det er Zeus going. I can miss lightning bolt. Ash. Well, be me three dashing. Vision.
Gorgons. Next.
Agus issue ar mácha an jóine seo mini boss a hananta idir diaad ire a chanisiste tíach náid áisteach.
Let me see.
An engine fáin as é fast bulia.
Spreaders. More of you, huh? You're nothing.
I shouldn't cut up. Great.
The power of the gods.
Full damage. I should Akiri hit a run now. Right, I should tell. Ooh, what I am more than architect. So I should tell a Hanyku Giga Illa. A H Kumalo as a joke.
There's only one heavenly archer I know of. Well, several, really. Anyway, in the name of Hades, Olympus, I accept this message.
I heard about you. Look, I'm not like all the others on Olympus. The power of the hunt helps keep me company, so maybe it'll help you too.
Artemis. Any damage? Visualize on Hydra reach your Harton.
Don't you have something to say to me? Didn't work.
Mind. Hey, you did it, Joshua. Generally, det här skulle ofta bli en skier för Jack. Come back here. Niche half-ass. Thank you. Moeilijk gemaakt. Oh, that defiance. Right. Kijk, en dat kunnen we geen niche gaan. Die jacket is al niche. Goed. Verder. Hey. Not a shot. There.
Good enough, I guess.
Oft. Hey. We really do go find Chachadid. There's some good job. Hey. Hey. Daniel had keer hier en aan. Is je misschien gaan? Serenaski. Easy for you. Chin.
Elysium.
Elysium.
Just need to storm my way through that eternal paradise.
What on tang? Yuri etiquette.
Bright swords.
Nicht catch.
That eyeball, is that him?
Issue. Is me asking shot. Kan een stoel hashen. Moeder could me ask on stoel shen. Skippelde. Chili and fed. Gallant Jay and hashen. Hierdie juche.
Chariots.
Een carapath. Ja, ankerjacht.
How?
Like that. The Shark of Hades. Ik al vrienden riketje tegen mijn koers dan ja.
My understanding is you had a little run-in with a Nemean chariot. Just kind of plowed right into you there, didn't it? You gotta watch where you're going crossing the streets of Elysium next time.
Next time.
Peace.
You'll get the hang of it out there, lad. For all our sparring practice, there's no teacher like the real thing. Now then, I have something for you.
What, wait, you're giving me your codex? I can't accept something like this.
Please, I insist. I want your love of history to grow, not just your love of warfare. Besides, maybe you can finish out the rest of it.
I'm grateful.
Nicht? So, ich würde kann hier hin. Für Peteren.
Hey, Achilles. Look, this really isn't much, but here.
This really is for me? You beat me to it then, as I had meant to give you this when next we spoke. Please, take it.
Yeah.
Thanks so much, sir.
Olympus knows of him, bestowing on him all their worthless blessings here within my realm. Our realm. Explain to me how exactly this is possible, Nyx. Either your limitless power has considerably waned, or you are up to something.
Do not question my power, Hades. Your son was bound to be discovered the closer he came to the surface. The Olympians are pleased to know they have a distant relative and bid him welcome to their mountain. That is all. Their influence is very limited.
Blood and darkness. Do not speak to me about their influence.
Who's
I've seen their influence firsthand. You've made a foolish mistake.
You would speak to me of foolish mistakes. You cannot change the course that has been set. Try all you like.
Nyx.
Agus sé sin ruúta haint nach mí game seo. An a dói ha fiochan riáin gan na ire is agad agus churas gan nás. Ach, nuair a bhascas tú buanach go hana dói or bíú i tíla gan áte seo agus ein barach sin scéalach ein geall sa bhach na character mar sin agus dá an chuach nectar
For you, boy. As one of Cerberus's heads receives the prince's gift, another muzzles something back into his hand.
Where is she?
Thank you, boy. If I don't pet your other heads, don't bite my arm off. Deal?
Lan feit bítach sin. Meg, chanil Kilkin.
How goes it, Shades? What are your sisters up to these days, Meg? I've not seen them around.
We're stretched a little thin, as you can see. Some kind of war up there meant lots of business here. I'm left to hold the line and deal with you.
Känner.
Felt that.
Been waiting over here. Boyo, next time you make it to the big VIP area upstairs, you watch out for those weapon-wielding gents out there. The eyeball soul thing that pops out when you beat them, you gotta squash those too, or else they'll grab their gear and come right back.
Crush the souls of Elysium's exalted shades to stop them from regenerating over and over. I'll definitely do that next time I'm there.
It's a niche. Like
got something new to try.
For chill can ein van well Cerberus agus ba Achilles so
okay.
Mention action and a hin action ang on good job on episode 11 chluichematch dash Gúine garage ach ai chennelas go you mean I have can chennelas really ach from on Green Peg a dhéanamh so mi dachas gan chuirt Hades Drive ai mar an chluiche dachas go tank go mór bear sin allach here's the last of action